This person right here has made a $25 commission using this system and with this particular company called E1U Life. And then skipping over, Paulo here, he made $2,000 in Bitcoin from income stream number 1, which is E1U Life, using the same system. Parveen made a $2,000 commission from E1U Life using this system. And Miles here, he's made $10,470 in commissions deposited to his bank account using income stream number 1. Okay, so what are people doing to make these type of commissions, up to $2,000 commissions from this company called E1U Life, and what system are they using to get these commissions? Well, this is what this video is all about. My name is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023. And not just any type of affiliate marketing, we're talking high ticket affiliate marketing where you can earn $2,000 commissions over and over again. So the system that people are using is called Profits Passport. Okay, and this system was created by this guy who's on the screen right here. I kind of paused it with his eyes closed, so forgive me for that. But his name is David Deco, and he created this marketing system that helps promote different income streams, but in particular the first income stream, which is E1U Life, where you can earn $2,000 instant commissions. And this particular marketing system shows you how to make those instant commissions with 100% free traffic. David Deco, he does the work while you keep all of the commissions. So there's no middleman, no waiting, instant commissions straight to your bank account. Okay, so what is this income stream number 1 that I'm showing here on my screen? What exactly is this income stream? What is E1U Life? This is a sales page for E1U Life. Sell as an affiliate, earn like an owner, with commission rates starting at 80%. And you can earn as high as 94% commissions on some of their products. So what is E1U Life? E1U Life is a team of experienced developers, designers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. Okay, they are your personal web building team. Some of their products include websites, sales pages, and email templates. Every tool you need to establish an online presence for your business or organization. And they have an incredible affiliate marketing program with their company. So affiliate marketing, if you don't know what exactly that is, you're just basically promoting a company's products and services to the public, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase of that product or service, you earn a commission from that company. Simple as that. Okay, now here's an example of 2 of the most popular affiliate programs compared to E1U Life. Okay, Walmart and Amazon both have affiliate programs that you can join and earn commissions when you sell their products. Okay, with Walmart you can earn up to 4% commissions on their products. Amazon, their affiliates are called Amazon Associates, and you can earn up to 20% commissions on their products, but most people basically earn around 3 to 4% on most of the products. With E1U Life, when you become an E1U Life member and you start promoting their products and services, your starting commission rate is 80% commissions on their products. Okay, so this gives you a breakdown of the commissions that you can earn for each product level. There's 6 different product levels. At Elevation Basic, you're earning a $25 commission. Elevation Elite, you're earning a $100 commission. Vertex, you're earning a $250 commission. Vertex Elite, $500 commission. Vertex Pro, $1,000 commission. And Vertex Live is $2,000 commissions. And the Vertex Live product is what a lot of people are selling through Profits Passport to earn those $2,000 commissions over and over again. Okay? So all you have to do is create an account. You can create a free E1U Life account, and when you go to this page, when you have your own free account inside of Profits Passport, you can just click here to activate income stream number 1, which is E1U Life. You create your free account by entering your name, email address, and home address to get started, and then you choose a product package, one of the web packages that they have for sale. And then once you've purchased that package, then that makes you eligible to become a reseller, an affiliate, and sell that package and other packages within E1U Life. Okay? And then once you make a commission, your commission is paid instantly to you through Stripe. Okay? So you receive your commission instantly after every sale. Easily see your account balance at any time. Okay, so E1U Life has their own developers, web developers, who can create built-for-you websites, landing pages, and opt-in pages for your business or organization. They can create a multi-page funnel to help turn your leads into customers. They can create custom email templates to help you stand out in your leads inbox so that your emails do not get, lost among the sea of other emails that your leads are getting every day. They can create a custom logo for your business or organization to help brand either yourself or your business. And this is any business that you're in, not just for E1U Life, but you may have a primary business that you're in. You can create your own custom logo to brand that business, okay? Or just brand yourself. Social media pack, they can create custom social media images that you can use on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And they have 24/7 customer support available to you. So you can send a message to any one of their customer service representatives who are ready and happy to help you. I have used their customer support several times, and they got back to me within a reasonable amount of time, like after a few hours. Okay, I didn't even have to wait like 24 hours to get a response from them. So it's very, very good customer support. So here are the 6 web packages that you can choose from. And of course, the most popular one and the most beneficial one is the Vertex Life package for $2,500. Now, what you get with this is basically you get everything included. You get your custom opt-in pages, social media pack, email templates, logo, multi-page funnels, and your own built-for-you websites. Okay, so that's what you get for $2,500, and these are all one-time payments. So there are no monthly payments with these packages. Now, I looked up on Google how much it would cost in general to get your own built-for-you website professionally done. And it can cost between $5,000 and $10,000 just for the website alone. So you're getting a really great bargain here for $2,500. Not only do you get your own website, but you're getting a multi-page funnel, your own logo, email templates, social media pack, and opt-in pages for that price. Okay, you could be spending over $10,000 to get all of this work done. But instead, you're only paying a one-time price of $2,500. So this is the most valuable package right here, the most popular one that most people go for because you get everything included. And not only that, it also makes you eligible to receive commissions at every single package level. Okay, now for Vertex Pro is a one-time $1,100. You get everything except for the built-for-you website. The Vertex Elite level is $550 one time. You get everything except for the multi-page funnel and the built-for-you website. For Vertex, for $275, you get the custom opt-in pages, social media pack, and email templates. Elevation Elite, you're getting opt-in pages and social media pack for $110. And for Elevation Basic, for $30, you're getting the custom opt-in pages that you can use for whether to promote E1U Life or some other business you're in. Okay? Now, of course, if you come in at Vertex Live, you're eligible to receive commissions at all the product levels. If you come in at one of the lower product levels, you're only eligible to receive commissions up to that product level. Okay? Just to let you know. So this is what people are doing to make those $2,000 commissions over and over again, is by using this system, Profits Passport, to do all of the selling and telling for them so they don't have to. They let David Deagle here do all the selling and telling for them to get those $2,000 commissions. Okay, so there's other income streams inside of Profits Passport. It's up to you whether you want to join them or not. As you can see from my screen here, from my account, I'm only in the first income stream. I use Profits Passport to promote E1U Life. And if you look at the commissions that people are getting inside of the private Facebook group for Profits Passport, the majority of the commissions are coming from E1U Life. Here, somebody earned a $2,350 commission from E1U Life. Okay, another E1U Life commission, and 2 Vertex Life sales in 24 hours for BK Kumar here, all from E1U Life. So just to be transparent with you, even though there's other income streams inside this system, Profits Passport, the majority of the commissions people are getting are from income stream number 1. And if that's the only income stream you want to be a part of, that's perfectly fine. Okay, so if you're ready to get started with Profits Passport and earn those $2,000 commissions over and over again, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Put in your email address, and what you're going to do is you're going to attend a webinar that David held that will explain exactly how his Profits Passport system works, how people are making these $2,000 commissions over and over again, and also he's going to explain some bonuses, time-sensitive bonuses that you can get if you come in at the Vertex Live level for income stream number 1, which is E1U Life. So go ahead, get started, put in your email address, click that link below to put in your email address, watch the entire webinar if you want those bonuses. The webinar is about an hour, hour and a half, so make sure that you set aside enough time to watch the entire webinar and then get started. Create your free account inside of Profits Passport, and this is what your account will look like. Activate income stream number 1 to get started. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to get started in affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.